Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you all had wonderful holidays and I wish you a happy and healthy new year. Today I have some new easy 3D toppers for you and a couple of new papers. So let's get started. So these just came into my shop and they're called Animals Inventor, and it's got 10 different animals here all in the snow. And let's just take a closer look. We have a rabbit and an owl, cute little deer, a bear. You can see a mouse here, very cute. And each of these animals come in little bags with 3 steps. So this is how they look like, and all you have to do is put them together with foam pads, and then you have a wonderful dimensional topper for your cards and projects. So I made a couple of cards with these new toppers, and my first one, and here it is, I made this cute card with the owl, and just look how wonderful the artwork is. So Hardy Crafts always has beautiful designs, and what I have done here, and you can see it's all layered with foam pads, so it is nice and dimensional. I layered this on some new background paper that I have in my shop as well, and there are 2 different packs. The one is more in a blue, and it's called the Manor of the Mist. And the second one is more in pink, and it's called the Dream of Coral. Let me show you a few so you can see how they look like. All of them have these distressed edges. It's thin paper, so it's great for layering. And the blue is, so they're both a soft blue and a soft pink. They come there multiple times, I think 3 each. And you can see this is a perfect color for winter. So look at the gorgeous designs, and I like how it looks all distressed, these edges. There's even some script here. So just wonderful designs. The same for the pink. Perfect for winter cards because it has this blush pink color. So it's still in a wintry hue. Not quite spring yet. So perfect for winter cards, but also for your first Valentine's Day cards. Anyway, these are the ones, and let me give you the size. So they are 5.5 inches long or about, and then wide they're about 3.5 inches. So a perfect smaller topper for your cards. This is the topper that I have used here on my card. I used a pearlescent, kind of a beige card background, and then added this beautiful owl, and you can see how it all goes together nicely. The stamp here, Cozy Winter wishes, and then just a couple of blink pieces. And from my Christmas crafting, I still added some snowflakes here, and I think that's a cute wintry card. I made a second one, and same basically here. I used one of these gorgeous background papers. Here, this is a top folding or 10 folding card. I still have those in my shop. They're from Hunky Dory, and you can see the size is just perfect. It fits on there like a glove. I love that we even have some music here in the background. Again, I added some of the snowflakes and then this gorgeous bird here. And to give it more like a New Year look, I added this little butterfly here, but it's also in icy colors, so it kind of matches, and with love can be a card for any occasion. So here I used 2 of the new Animals in Winter for these pretty vintage looking winter cards. Up next, I have the birdhouses in winter. And again, we have 10 different beautifully designed birdhouses for winter cards. And here they are. And I made a couple of cards. You can just take a look again. So there are some florals on there. There is, of course, snow on here. And yeah, here too. So just gorgeous cards for winter. And first I made one card with this red birdhouse here, and I made it into a Valentine's Day card. I just, from my stash, grabbed some paper that would match. This is from an old 6x6 paper pad, and it had these black and red colors in here, and it just matched perfectly my little birdhouse and the birdies. I added a piece of heart paper that I die cut, and then just added this cute little birdhouse. Here are some some hearts I punched out, and then I layered it all with dimensional foam pads. And here is my card on a red card blank that I created myself. And I think this makes a cute Valentine's Day card. I did not add any greeting here because I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for yet. So I want to have this option, but I think this would be a perfectly card for a happy Valentine's. I also made a wintry card with this birdhouse here. I again used one of these beautiful background papers, and then you can see I did this again on this top folding card by Hunky Dory, and we have these cute birds here in this birdhouse. Some glitter is already on there, and you can see it right here on those flowers, but I added extra glitter on the on this snowy roof of the birdhouse to give it an extra wintry note. And then of course some more of my snowflakes. Welcome Winter was just for my stash, so I got a couple of birdhouses, one for Valentine's and one for winter, and I think they're so cute. I really like how the blues go with this background. Then I moved away from my wintry scene, and I wanted to get a little bit into a more springtime theme, and we have brand new as well the flower baskets. They are very gorgeous, and next week I have a beautiful projects for you. The gazebo cards are coming up, and I'll show you a tutorial as well with these gorgeous flower baskets. But I also started off with using those or one of the flower baskets right here with both of the papers. So here I combined the pink and the blue. On my card black background I have this window die, and I just added this beautiful basket with hydrangeas right here into this into this window box. And I think this is another beautiful card, all layered up, because beautiful, not so much of my design because they are very quick to put together, but of the gorgeous products that I have used. So you can see here is this beautiful basket. So stay tuned for next week when I show you how to make these gorgeous gazebo cards. I received one for Christmas, and I promised you I'm gonna have cards and show you how to do those. So so this is why I used the flower baskets. More to come next week. And then last but not least, I made this card here because again, I have more new products in my shop. So let me show you this gorgeous background paper. So this is new in my shop, and it is this wonderful 6x6 pack of background paper. And look how gorgeous these designs are. It's all lace and pearls and gorgeous flowers There are crystals on here. It is the most beautiful paper for card making. I just love the colors. Again, they're perfect for wintry cards because they're such a soft pink and pink and light blue, icy blue colors. So here they are. And what I have done here is I used them on my background. So just a white card blank. Then I added some metallic purple or pink background to frame this gorgeous paper. Added another wood grain piece of scrap that I actually had laying around. This topper here is from the Vintage Flowers on Papers. They are back in stock. I know they were sold out last year, but they came back. And here I picked this gorgeous violet bouquet. And then also new to my shop are these wonderful butterflies. So let me show you those. So these are new. There are acetate stickers, some in blue and greens, and then others in purple and pink. So 2 varieties. And I know they're very glittery, so I took some out. And I want to show them to you on some white paper so you have a better idea on how they look like. But just see how wonderful they are. They're in different sizes. So pretty. Look at those. And there are stickers, so very easy to use, not just for card making, but I guess you could add those to anything where you could add a sticker to, even maybe on a glass or on a candle holder. Absolutely gorgeous with this holographic and it got this metallic look here. Very pretty. So there are several in there. Anyway, these are now available in my shop, and this is what I have used here on my card. I used 2 of those beautiful butterflies, one here in this purple hue and then more in the green. But of course the colors change a little bit too when you just move your card, and it's just how the light falls on those gorgeous stickers. With Love is a stamp, and that is finishing my card, and I think it came out cute, and it got me a little bit out of the wintry mood and into an early spring. And here are my 6 cards from today's video. I appreciate you came back to my channel and spent time with me today. Thank you very much. If you like these cards, I would appreciate if you leave me a comment. Maybe share this video with your crafty friends and family. And of course, give me a thumbs up. This helps my channel and I would absolutely appreciate that. Thank you very much for spending time with me today. I have more cards for you next week. So please stay or get well. Happy crafting, Happy New Year, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.